Good. Let it all the way out. All the way.
Wow. That felt good.
Doesn't that feel good? I'm gonna bring my hand underneath here, and I'm gonna kind of traction back like that. All right? And you might hear some cracking and popping. You ready for this? This good.
All the way to my tailbone.
All the way to the tailbone.
I felt a little bit in my neck, but mostly down in my lower back, actually, which felt good.
Never experienced anything like that, huh?
No, I'm surprised that you can actually crack the whole back like that.